Hi there! Today I'll be showing you all of the data visualizations available in AutoQL dashboards and give you a few examples of the types of queries you or your users can ask in order to generate these different visualizations. To begin, I need to be in edit mode. This gives me the ability to customize the natural language queries and visualizations within the dashboard tiles. I'll get started by adding a new tile and entering a query. Once I've entered a query, you'll see I'll get a data response returned to me. I can now change how that data is being displayed by clicking on any of the different graphs or chart options. Depending on the type of query I've entered, I'll only be presented with options that are relevant for displaying the data response. Here's another example. If I enter a query that asks me for an aggregate or a sum, such as total cash flow, I will receive a data response that specifically answers my query, but does not offer any additional visualization options. If I change that query just slightly by adding what we call a groupable, such as by quarter or by month, I'll receive a more detailed data response, and now I'm able to choose from several different graphs. I could also enter a query that contains a filter word, which would be something like greater than, or less than, or over under. The default data response will be a table, but now I also have the option to toggle to a column chart, a bar chart, a line chart, or a pie chart. By adding multiple groupables or filters within my query, like average revenue per customer by month last year, you can see that I now have even more visualization options to choose from. I can easily toggle from the original return table to a heat map, a bubble chart, a stacked bar chart, a stacked column chart, or a stacked area chart just by clicking between any of those options. In cases where I've entered a query that contains multiple groupables or filters, like in the query I'm showing you here, I can also adjust how the axis is being displayed, simply by clicking on the axis label and changing it to display the data by month rather than by customer. This allows me to retain all the important information from my original query, but adjust the visual to suit my preference. Finally, I can leverage the split view feature on any tile within dashboards if I want to split the tile to view more than one graph or chart at the same time. This is a highly effective tool for data analysis and data storytelling, as it allows you to see trends as well as specific data points clearly and easily. Thanks for checking out our quick overview about the different visualization options and features that are available through AutoQL. Check out our developer docs for more information about each of these visualization types, and if you have any questions or want to learn more, our team at Chata is always happy to help.